try. Maybe after this class, we will try.
So this is something new I'm teaching. Okay. So we have not done it before. So you will not find it in recorded words. So what I have done is I have given this formula to you guys in the chat group. Okay. That will help.
Okay, sure.
So see, guys understood what we did here. I'll repeat once again. Sanjeet,
Okay.
here. Sanjeet Mukhtar.
Yeah, this one.
Any doubt in this? What we did?
I understood.
Understood, right? Few of guys would know it. This is simple Excel. For somebody who is new, for them it will be complex. Here, what simply if you just copy in P column, if you copy all the names, in Q column, just paste that formula which I have just given it in the group. Okay.
Okay.
So you directly get this, and then you have to click on double click here. For all stock, automatically it will show. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So this is one thing. So now I have calculated the delivery quantity. Now I'll copy this. And every day's data I'll copy in this list. So again, if you just see, this 58492 is there, right?
Yeah.
58492. So this data I have already copied. So how you have to copy? I'll just show you. Click here. So here in this row, you have to copy it, right? So names are already there. You don't have to write the names like that. You have to be there. So paste special again. There the data is vertical. You want it horizontal now. Transpose again. Values. Paste. Automatically it is pasting up. Got it, guys?
Yeah, got it.
So like that, every day if you do it for 20-30 days, you will get this data by automatically, then you will get it. And then you can compare. How you will compare now, that also I'll show you. So for that, there is one more formula. So I'll deleting this one because already I have the data of this. Right? I have already copied the data. Don't look at the dates. I have not changed it because that's not required. So here also there is one formula which we put in. That was one formula. Here now I have got the stocks, and like that if you just copy it, I'll give you this list also, right? So you don't have to do it for the past days. From the future you can start doing it if you guys want. Okay. So now I have like this, you'll get the data of every day. Now I want today's delivery quantity if it is highest in the past 1 month. So I have to compare this one to the entire list. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
So here you have to use another formula. This is if formula. Previously we have used a VLOOKUP. Now if one more condition inside this, one more logic I want, max. I want to check if complete list I'll select. This is the range.
Okay, max.
Max complete range. If max is equal to this, that means I am telling that complete range may say if the max is equal to the last one, that is the latest delivery quantity.
Latest
Okay.
one. Yeah.
If it is equal to the latest delivery quantity and this one is the highest, then give me the name of the stock. Okay. So what I have done, I have written if max, I have selected the range. So in the range, it should look for is equal to, and if the latest delivery quantity is highest, maximum formula. If it is maximum, then give me the stock name. Otherwise, give me 0. If the value is true, you can see. If the value is false. Okay, logic. Got it? And I'll press enter. So if you just look at, it has given me 0. That means it is not the maximum. Now I'll just extend it. So this you are saying, these are the maximum.
Oh.
So now I'll extend it to last. So still few steps are left. Okay, you will get the stock name, but after that also you have to do little filtration because you'll get a lot of stocks. So basically the good data from which you should compare is of last 2 months. At present, this data is not of 2 months. This is of last like 30, like less than that days. This is of 24 days, right? So this is still not very refined one. You should compare it with last at least 40 trading days. Then you can get a good list.
Apply for 2000 stocks.
Yeah, you can apply. These are all the stocks which are listed on NSE. Okay. So I have, this is the list which I have got. You can see somewhere names are there, somewhere it is not there. 0 means it's not there. Okay. Right? Got this list? Got it, right?
Got it. Got it.
Now what you have to do, simple repetition is what you have to do.
Transpose.
Transpose. Here just transpose it. Transport it in a different file. So why that is important, I'll tell you. So transport values. So here again put filter. I don't want the zeros. I just want the stocks.
Remove zeros. Filter.
Remove zeros.
Okay.
So now I got the list. I'll copy it now. So still you can see there are a lot of stocks, right? Around 1500 is there. In this few penny stocks will be there. So those has to be ignored. So again, I'll paste the list here. So simply values is what you have to select. Sometimes it will show you hash. So to remove that, select values and do direct pasting. And it will show you like this.
Okay.
Now, I have given you a formula, right? In the group. So here again the same formula I'll use. VLOOKUP. Here there is some changes. This is the stock I want to find out. Range is still same. A to O.
Okay.
Column where I have to find, I want the delivery percentage. Delivery quantity is not required now. You have to find delivery percentage. Quantity we have already analyzed. Based on quantity only we got the list. Yes or no?
Correct.
Now I want delivery percentage. So here 15 I write. This is the 14th column. Previously we have taken 14th column. Now we take 15th column and 0. So this is the delivery percentage. This is delivery percentage. One more column I want, that is of turnover, lakhs. Again same formula. We look up this to be searched. Where it should be searched? It should be searched from A to 0 range, and it should return me delivery turnover lakh, which is the 12th column. L from A to L, it is 12. Okay. Otherwise, it should give me 0. So this is it. So like that, so you got the list. So you got the stock, you got the delivery percentage. You have to simply copy it now. Wait a second. So now I have copied. I have to paste it. Again, a different file I'll do. So make sure that every time you are using a new file only, so that will not confuse you. Okay. So sometimes this happens. So you have to again copy it. So you have to copy this one. I'm using little shortcuts. You have to, what I'm doing is I'm selecting these 3 rows and then I'm pressing Control, Shift and down arrow. And then it will just select all the columns. Okay. And here, what I'll do is I'll have to paste it here. Again, just values is what I want. So like this, it will come up, right? Able to see?
Okay.
Again, put filter here.
Yeah.
Here you have to put filter. Minimum turnover, this is turnover, right? Turnover is greater than 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs is like you can keep as an estimate. Delivery percentage, you have to experiment this. I need less stocks. So initially I'll write 10 here. Okay, so this is the list which I have got. So still more are there. So sometimes I would change this 5,000 to 7,000 also, if the stocks are more. Or I would change the delivery percentage from 10 to 12, or let's say 13, but I will not go beyond 15. 15 is the limit here. On turnover, I won't go above 7,500. Got it? And you got few list of stocks. You can analyze it. So now if you just look at this particular list here, so these will the stocks which can give you some kind of move. These can give you. Okay, so just one thing I will show you. So Prakash is here, right? Prakash Industries
Yes.
from this list. So that time, when I saw this, that time my filters were percentage is fine. Here it should be like 65,000. The 6,500 is the total turnover in this. 6,500 lakhs. So if you just most of the time, as I told, I just want less stocks. So sometimes with 5,000 only you'll get it. Otherwise, move it to little 6,000, like that. It should not. It should be like around 20 stocks is fine for me. It should not be more than that. Okay, percentage you can increase to 12 or let's say 15. I'll do it. So you can experiment here and find out stocks. And as I told you, you can keep it around 5,000, 600,000. You can keep. And like that, you'll find out stocks which can give you very good move. These are the stocks. Okay, guys. Again, finding out stock is one thing. You have to analyze it further based on price action, based on flat pattern, based on cup and handle pattern, based on head and shoulder pattern, which I just told you. These are the three prominent patterns which you see in these lists, and that higher high formation is always there. Okay, guys. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Got
Lot
it,
of
guys?
work, lot of practice required for this.
Actually, yeah. See, I am also posting the list every day, right? You can copy it blindly also. You don't have to do this thing. But if you want to do it at your own level, it is always good to be independent. You can do it. I have shown you how you have to do it. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can do it. All right, guys. Any doubt anybody have? Any doubt? Who is good in Excel here in this group? Can I
Not
get the
excellent,
name?
but we know bit knowledge.
Kiran, okay, so you try to do it what we have done today, and step by step just try to write what you are doing, okay, and share it in the group if it is possible. Okay,
A big work for me.
that means, see,
Definitely.
if you could do that, you'll get the practice. Plus, if some mistake you are doing, I'll correct it.
Can you
Okay.
share those formulas?
Yeah, see, I'll share the formulas. Okay, whatever formula I have applied, max formula, if formula, and VLOOKUP I have applied 3 times. Here, one VLOOKUP is here, one VLOOKUP is here, one VLOOKUP is here. Okay. So these VLOOKUPs I'll right away paste it.
Bit
So
difficult, but I will try.
try it if it is good. Otherwise, I'll only do it. Okay.
Already is there.
So these are the formulas which I have used.
No. If condition you did, right?
Yeah, that. So these were the four formulas I have used, and the limits for percentage. So there are 2 limits which I use, right? One is 50% for normal data, and one for 10 to 15% you can keep for the advanced data. Okay, and for turnover, 5,000. This is the range. Right, guys, any doubt anybody have?
Please share that website also from which you took that Excel.
Yeah, that link also. That is the NSC main website. You can Google it also. I'll also share the link. So just give me a minute. Right. So this is the website. You have to directly click on full download, complete data I want. Stock wise also you can get it here. Just enter the symbol. We are not doing that. right? So this is what we have discussed, and like that you can find out. So just to give you the idea, from last few days, from last few setups which were posted in our channel, and most of the setups are from the list which I just showed you, from that list only. So Hikal is from there, Dixon is from there, this is from there. SBI Life is also from that list. FinORG from that list, Signed from that list. So if you guys wait a second, I'll just show you that list also. Okay. So this is the list,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So from here you can find out stocks. Like this will show you, and I look at the price action. If the price action giving me some kind of confirmation, then I'll look for power. You can see on 4th it was here. After that, it has given 10%. 4th, right? Today is what? Today is 9th. Friday was 7th. After that, it has moved 10-20%. Okay. Power. Trend is there. So just you have find the stock now. You have to have the confirmation of the price action, which I have told you how you have to do. Okay. And you can find out like that. You can check out. All right. So this is how you have to do it. Okay. So like that, if you do, you'll find out. Little hard work, but the return is also good. All right, guys. See, whatever I told you today, you can apply it. If you don't want to apply it, still it is fine. We have discussed a lot of ways of finding out stocks. There is a simpler way also where you don't have to apply VLOOKUP and all that. You have to directly filter and you can find out stocks. So if you're not understanding, you feel this is difficult, still fine. Many people find it difficult. Okay, guys. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
So today was
Yes.
specifically I have told you how you have to find out how you have to do stock selection. Whatever list you get it today, it can be used for intraday also tomorrow. Okay. These particular stocks give you very good move, and that you can see it from before after tab which we have in our channel. So if you just see how fast it goes, once the breakout happens, it will go very fast. The reason is very simple. The reason is because already people have taken high quantities of delivery. They are already very much interested. You just check out the result. See, in 1-2 days, it will give you very big move. Very fast they'll move. See, in big candles you'll see and you'll get the targets. You see, this was based on price action. Okay. JSW Steel. Even Tata Steel BSL, when the price was 55, around 55 when the price was, that was the only stock which I got on one particular day, because that was a negative fall day on Nifty. Many stocks were in red. But in one stock, I got high delivery quantity, that was Tata BSL. And that time the price was 55. I remember it. If you guys know, I'll just show you. Okay, so we have the, and that day I have, you just check out the dates also, you get an idea. It is simple price action. So on that day I told in the group, buy on dips. It is a very good stock. Okay, so this was the message posted on, see, this was the message. So add Tata Steel BSL on every dip, current price is around 55. So this was the statement which we gave around April 12th. Okay, now just check out the list here. So just Tata Steel data, I'll just show you.
We can search, right?
What?
We can search directly by data.
Sometimes, you know, find option does not work here. So I was
I mean, Camin needs case sensitive, I think. Oh, okay.
yeah. So now I'll just show you.
BSL. you
So
can
this
write.
is the right. So around 12th March, if you just check out here. So delivery quantity, just see. So here it is 32, 63, 63. Around somewhere there was a very high delivery here. So if you just check out here also, around 55, very high, right, compared to the rest. This is 51, which is the highest up till here.
9th one, not 63, right?
Right. So these dates are actually wrong here. These are random dates. Okay. In between Saturday, Sundays
Okay.
are also there. I have just dragged it. So the dates are not correct. So if you just look at,
Okay.
this is the date maybe. Okay. Today was 9th, right? Today is 9th. So around 10 days before, or if here it was there, right? So if you just look at this particular, around 10 days before, trading days before,
55.
we got an alert. Okay. And that time the price was around just 55 or so. And this was told in the group, 10 trading days before. Okay. So like that, you have to, if you'll do it, you'll get very good. And even if you just look at this number, this is a very huge number. Okay. 63. And this number has not been break till now. This
Yeah.
for comparison has to be done, because if you have to compare it with itself, then only you'll get an idea if it is high delivery or less delivery. And then you can find out, and you can find out stock at a very good price. Okay, guys. So this is how you have to do. Any doubt you guys want to ask before we move ahead? If let's say time is also up, you guys want to ask something? Sanjeet, Mukhtar, rest of you guys. Mukhtar, you are here. Mukhtar, you texted me, right? You were asking something about investment. Mukhtar, you are here. Mukhtar is here.
I think I'm following Maruti. So Maruti is a low high and low is happening. I think it's a pullback started, I think. So is it right?
Abhi still you need a confirmation with a downfall chart. Okay, confirmation should either it should,
6814 above we can.
it should give a strong breakout above this level, strong one.
Yes.
Then it would be a double bottom, one bottom, two bottom, neckline breakout. But that should happen. Okay.
Should happen.
At
You have to
present-
wait for until this.
So you can track it, Maruti, you can track it. Okay, like that you can do, and you can find out stocks. You have understood, right? So this was the stock selection. Next sessions may we are discussing about few strategies regarding intraday, and I'll see few things I'll tell you about diversification, few risk management rules we'll study. That is what is left for the next sessions. So this is our 6th class, right?
Oh.
6th one. Right. So yeah, so that is what we'll cover, and I'll just check out what else is left. Okay, most of the positional short-term things, stock selection things we are done. You guys have some clarity at least from where we started and where we have reached till now.
Yes.
Yes. Mukhtar, Deepan, Ruchi, you are here.
Yes.
You got the idea, right?
Sir, we
Next.
can have the recording for today.
So recording, I'll show you. You want this data recording?
Yeah, the screener recording, that how will it go over NSE data and show that volumes and all, so that we can have the stock selection like this one, this recording I want.
Yeah. Okay.
Because when we forward, we'll either go and
This
have
is what
them.
we discussed.
Sure. Send you
It is very volatile. We forgot very easily. That's why.
Yeah, see, I'll share you the recording, what we have recorded till now, but make sure that you guys practice it in next 1 week. After that, I'll remove the recording. Okay.
Yes. Thanks.
Okay. So this is what you should do. This is what you should practice, and don't share it with anyone. That's the thing. Okay. So I'll share the recording, practice it in next 1 week. And next week I'll ask you, are you guys comfortable with Excel? So you should say yes. This will do. Okay. And we'll study about intraday, how you can find out stocks for intraday, and few techniques are there which we have developed. Those I'll teach you, and we'll do it. All right, guys. So this is what we'll do. Anything you guys want to ask today, ask me. We have like still 5-6 minutes. Anything you want to ask related to investment, related to anything you have not understood.
How's Ujjivan perform?
Ujjivan
Ujjivan Bank.
See, basically, if you look at banking sector has still not given any move. What a rally is coming in market is because of IT, pharma, metal sector. Banking sector has not moved. So you can eventually understand these stocks. If you have investment
It's already invested.
already invested, right? So you'll have to wait. They should give you a move. It is a downward trending chart. You can check out. Okay.
It's constantly down trading only.
Yeah. So you can understand it is a risky investment. See, one more thing I'll tell you here. These things will come with experience. Basically, whenever the market recovers, okay, the first sector which performs is IT, then it's pharma. This is the trend which is going from last 1 year, 1.5 years. IT, pharma, metal is like it, whenever the market is good, it is going up. Then the last sector which gives a pump is banking sector only. Okay, if you guys remember, banking sector has given a move, but it was a late move which came in the last year. Last year, just try to recollect. At the end, there was a move. Banking sector has given a good move, and again they are silent. So banking sector is the last one to perform. If the other sectors are doing well, then banking sector will give a pump. Slowly, SBI has posted good result. I think HDFC results are also around the corner. If continuously things gets better, these stocks will move up. But especially at present, if some positions are there, it should be moved towards IT, pharma, metal, like that. We should move slowly. Okay. If you haven't holding in this, still you can understand it is moving down only. It has broken this resistance also.
Yeah, this is investment for 3 years.
No problem. Did you check out it monthly chart? On what logic you invested for 3 years? Logic should be there, right? If you have invested something, you would have heard it, right? Somewhere. Without that, you will not invest. Either you would have done it on your own level, some news channel you would have seen.
No,
Somewhere,
I'm going
somewhere.
through advisory.
That's what.
Portfolio
See,
management advisory.
for 3 years, if you are investing, you can check out the price action chart is downtrend. It is lower low formation in this.
Yeah.
Lower low, lower low.
Yes.
Correct.
So you can understand if you are invested for 3 years, you can expect what can happen.
Okay.
Right? So like that you should do. If it is coming in profit, better close it and invest in HDFC Bank. That will give you a better return. Okay. Otherwise, banking sector, if you want to ask,
Okay.
IDFC is also good. This is not the chart which we were looking, right? So this is a different chart. This is not, this was lower low, lower low, now higher high, higher high. Federal Bank, higher high was there, fall came, banking sector was not performing, again recovery. One more, SBI and this HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank are the best ones in banking. If you want to ask me, you can see the chart difference. Saw the difference.
I think recently AU Bank posted a negative in their quarter results. So after that, their stock price has reduced.
Which bank? Ujjivan?
AU Bank.
AU Bank. AU Bank, there was a news, I guess, if I'm not wrong, there some big management person has given a resignation in them, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
AU Bank. So that was a negative point.
Yeah.
I have read this.
We suggested this stock previously.
Right, but it did
But
not
the
give a
target is
breakout.
not-
It has fallen heavily.
Yeah,
because there was a negative news.
not reach. Yeah.
Because some negative news was there. I'll show you that AU Bank. Okay, once check out. I have read this. Because of that reason, it has fallen like 10% or so in 1 day only. This was a news. So if you just check out AU Bank. So this fall came after that news only here.
Yeah, it is reached your target after this.
Yeah, so it has fallen very heavily. It was AU Bank or some other bank, I don't know. Check maybe, we'll see. Some bank there was a news also.
AU Financial.
Okay, guys, so maybe I'm wrong also, but I have read it. I'll confirm this news. I'll share in the channel. Maybe this fall when it came, right? So this was on the news day. We'll just see it. Wait a second. Okay, fine. I'll check out and I'll post it in the group if I find that. Okay. So maybe there was a news that MD or CEO has resigned. So that is something negative. Somebody does not resign that without any information or so. And that thing, I think in AO Bank, that was the news. Okay. So I have read this also. I follow actually a lot of platform for news, and so few things keeps there in the mind. I know it. Check. You guys can also check out. So as I told, you can check out the difference, right, between HDFC Bank and Ujjivan Finance. So charts should be giving you signal for long-term investment. Then only do it. On a 3 years of your investment will be wasted. Okay, you are at least 3 years. If you are investing, you should get at least 50 to 60%. That is the minimum you should look for.
I don't know why they're still bullish on that bank.
Maybe they would have done something. See, they have told it. Maybe there would be a logic, but you also find your logics also. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not telling somebody's wrong, somebody's right, but you should also find your logics. If you get it, good.
Okay.
Otherwise, just look at the charts also. HDFC Bank, you can see it is a good one. Kotak Bank, another good banking stock. Right. So these are the ones I would be more interested. Okay. Ujjivan is also, you can do, if you are investing also in such charts, the charts will tell you if it is a uptrend or a downtrend chart. If you are investing, invest in less quantity. Okay. If normally you want to invest 50, invest 10,000 only in that. Majority you invest in a good looking chart. That you can do. Right. That too we can do, right?
Others are DMart, I guess.
DMart is good.
Syngene.
Even I have a holding in DMart.
Syngene.
You can hold. DMart and
then Tata Consumers.
that is also good.
Then I'll put it in the group.
Yeah, so if somebody want to ask something related to the investment, you can always pin. Okay. If you text me personally also, I'll reply sometime. It will take little time, but I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So yeah, I have
Purnarth Advisory from Pune.
Okay.
Purnarth.
So this was the news. The chief audit officer has resigned. Okay. Exit raises eyebrow. So this is 1 week bad news. So I was correct. So I have read this one. Okay. And after that, there was a very big fall in the stock, as I showed you that time. So that he was the chief auditor officer. Okay. So such news will change the price action because this is not in your hand. So that's why stop loss is maintained. Okay. Stop loss is for that purpose. So this person has exited without giving any information. He's a high post person, so that is a negative, right? So you were telling, right, something? Sorry to disturb. Yeah, Konark, right?
It's advisory. You won't find that.
Okay.
Yeah, advisory.
So fine. So it's not wrong to follow, but Hamisha, you have to follow the logic of your own also. If somebody is telling me that I should invest in Petronet, I will analyze it on my level first. If I found it logical, I'll do it. Otherwise, I will not. So that is what you guys have to do it. And that is the reason we are learning, right? So now you can analyze it on your own level, right? If you want to invest, you can check out the EPS, you can check out their ratios, you can check out the price action, supports, resistance, delivery also you can check out last 1 month, how the deliveries have turned out. Check it according with the sectors. Okay. Especially at present, if I want to invest for next 3 years, Ujjivan and all, I will not pick up only because overall these are not, I think Ujjivan is in the mid cap or small cap. Okay. And chart is also not very well performing. Banking sector especially not doing well. right?
Yes,
Banking sector is
exactly.
especially not doing well. Pharma is what I would pick up. Pharma, IT, some
Okay.
internet-based company I would pick up. Metal sector I would pick up. Auto sector doing well I would pick up. FMCG
Okay.
evergreen sector, if I found a stock and I am analyzing that it can do well, I would pick up. Okay. Banking sector I would ignore.
Okay.
Okay. Ignore in the sense it should be, in other words, less investment is the word. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like that you can do it. Right? So this is how you have to do, and you all will do well. See, investment is all about, as I told about in the starting only and today. Today I told you about Peter Lange, right? So the biggest investment advice of that person is you'll find your investment idea from around yourself only. If you visit a grocery store, you'll get an idea. If you visit, you'll talk with your friends, you'll get an idea. You look at the news, you'll get an idea. See, if you read the news, you'll get to know that pharma, IT, metal is doing well. You don't need an advisor to advise you to invest in pharma. Do you require?
No.
No, right? So that is the thing, you should do it. So this is the general talk. We can keep on doing it. So you guys have any doubt? Otherwise, we'll close off for today.
No doubt, we are clear.
Right. So next week again we'll meet. If you have any doubt, anything, pin it in the group. All right. So I'll also give you a maybe next week only. Okay. So we have one more group, a main community where all are like previously whoever have taken a training from us, they are part of that group. You can join that next week. Okay. But make sure that you guys contribute there, because I see a lot of you guys are not sharing examples only. Okay. So there that
Sure.
group is meant for sharing knowledge. So try to contribute whenever you guys are added there. So that is the purpose, and fine. So we'll close off for today. Anything you have, you can ask me. I'll share the PPTs or Excel sheet which I have shown you today. Website link already I have given you, right? Make the use of it. Any doubt, anything, please ask me.
Sir, one doubt I have, like
Yeah.
last year or something, Infosys, there was some discrepancy inside the company, and as a result, the share price has drastically reduced, and after that, they started picking up again.
Yeah, that was the whistleblower news I told you. That happened in 2019
Yeah.
last.
Yeah.
Right.
Just like that, how can we invest in such scenarios? Like right now in AU Bank, also the chief auditor has stepped down, and like, could it be possibly a plus point for the investors?
See, like whistleblower news, whichever was there, Infosys is a good performing company. AU Bank also a good performing company. But because of some news they have fallen, you can invest in them for a long-term purpose. Okay? Because eventually they will recover. They have a proven track record. Same thing happened in Infosys also. Though it has fallen in that particular phase, after that it recovered quickly. Same thing you can expect. Okay. Reliance, if it is falling because of any news today, eventually it will recover, right?
Yeah.
Right. So if, for example, let's say Facebook has invested in Reliance, they say that I will take my money back. But Google, Microsoft, Qualcomm, Ambani's are still there. They will take it further.
Okay.
Correct. So that is a very big example I have given you. So you can think in that perspective. Even if I have told you right, book value of a company will not change because of any news. Correct?
Yeah.
Remember the book value example I have told about this. Book value of a company is fixed. The asset with the company will be staying. If news is negative or positive, asset will be always there. So if the assets are not increasing, that means book value is still entitled. Book value is still there. So brand value is already proven, right, from last 1 year, from whenever they are running their business. So eventually it can go up. So that is the short term you will see a fall. Even when HDFC Bank founder was there, right? I forgot the name, very famous person. When he retired last year, the share price have gone down.
Okay.
So the share price have gone down, then it recovered quickly. So these are the part and parcel of stock market.
Okay.
So last year, SDFC Bank is another good example from there. So I'll just tell you the name. Oh. So he's a very famous person. So just find out. So find out. So whoever founded HDFC Bank is also a very famous person. So he retired last year. He left HDFC Bank. So that was a big news. HDFC Bank has fallen like 6-7% in one day, and then there was a sharp fall, but it recovered with time. Okay, because HDFC Bank has a proven track record. Their assets are still same. Their business plans are still same. Nothing has changed. Just one person has left, and in his place another experienced person has came. For example, now EU Bank is there. So chief auditor officer has left. In his place, if they appoint somebody with a very good experience, people will again regain confidence and it will go.
Okay.
Okay, so these things you have to follow, and these are the lines you can understand, and things will be very simple. Okay.
Okay.
So those things you can do, and it is very simple. See, you now you would have got an idea that investment is not something which is very difficult. You have that confidence or not, at least till now, that you can make money out of here.
Yeah.
You have the
Yes,
confidence.
yes.
Anybody still feel that they are not able to understand things? Anybody? Any doubt? Please always be free to ask. Okay, this group is open for discussion. Ask any your doubts. I still see you guys don't share examples. We had batches where every day, like this group used to be full. I used to spend half an hour to clear the doubts every day, but that is not happening with this group. No problem. Still try to practice whenever you have time. That will benefit you in the long run, because the things which I am telling you will go after the course. Okay, max 1 month, these things will stay with you. If you did not practice, you will forget everything, and it will be again to zero. Practice is what will make you successful. That's the thing. Okay. Right, guys. So I think we should close off for now, and we'll meet again next week. You can always ping for your doubts, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So we'll
Thank
close
you.
off. Again,
Yeah. Thank you.
again meet next week. All right, guys. Shalom. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.